I am noticing a change in her. She is agreeing with me. He was appearing rude. Well, these sentences with continuous tenses are absolutely wrong. Well, how should we say then? We should say, I notice a change in her. She agrees with me. He appeared rude. In this video, let's discuss why we should not use them in continuous tenses. I believe that you know how to use continuous tenses. These are also called progressive tenses. Progressive. Now, present continuous tense is basically used to talk about actions which are in progress at the time of speaking. And past continuous tense is used to talk about actions that were in progress at a time in the past. And future continuous tense is used to talk about actions that will be in progress at a point of time in future. Most of these verbs can be used in these continuous tenses, but there are some verbs which cannot be used in progressive tenses. Now, these verbs which cannot be used in continuous tenses are called stative verbs. They express a state and they do not describe any action. Well then, what do they talk about if they do not describe any action? Let's discuss that. Number one, these stative verbs express thoughts and opinions. For example, agree, believe, doubt, guess, recognize, remember, understand, etc. And now let me show you a few example sentences to understand how these words can be used. I strongly believe that competition is a good thing. I strongly believe that competition is a good thing. But we should not say, I am strongly believing that competition is good. The next sentence, do you recognize her, is the correct way of saying it. But we should not say, are you recognizing her? No. And the third one, I still remember the day I met you. But don't say, I am still remembering the day I met you. And second way of using these stative verbs. These stative verbs also express feelings. For example, like, hate, prefer, want, wish. And why not have a look at a few example sentences now? Look at this here. They really like him. But don't say they are really liking him. And you can say, I hate pizzas. But don't say, I am hating pizzas. And you can say, she wants to go to a concert. But don't say, she is wanting to go to a concert. No. And now, number three, the third way of using these stative verbs. These stative verbs are used to talk about senses and perceptions. Let's have a look at example verbs here. First, appear, look, see, seem, smell, taste, feel, hear, and there are a few more. I know you are waiting for example sentences now. Here they are. The first one, she didn't appear surprised, but don't say she was not appearing surprised. She didn't appear surprised. Next one, I decided to help them. It seems a foolish decision. Now don't say it is seeming a foolish decision. This bread smells awful. I think it has gone bad. But don't say this bread is smelling awful. But there are some instances, situations where we have to use these verbs as action verbs because they describe actions as well. And they describe both state and action. Let's take a look at the verb think, for example. Look at this sentence here. I think you will win the race. But we should not say, I am thinking you will win the race, because here think expresses opinion, so it is used as a stative verb. But if you use the same verb differently, like this, I am thinking, please wait. I'm thinking, please wait. Now here, there is an action which is in progress. So think is used as an action verb here. Let's see another verb here. This time we have feel. Now this feel, how can it be used? See this example. I feel buying a car now is unnecessary. Here it expresses opinion. Here feel expresses opinion. So it is used as a stative verb because it does not describe any action at all. And look at this example this time. I'm feeling better now. Now this clearly expresses some physical condition. Now let's talk about the verb see. Now I see a point in his argument. I see a point in his argument. So here it means I notice a point in his argument. I understand there is a point in his argument. But if you say, I am seeing my family doctor today, it means I am visiting my family doctor today. It means a clear action, a deliberate action. And the same way, Chetan is in hospital. We are seeing him today. It means we are visiting him in the hospital today. Finally, let's look at the verb have. She has a lot of money, the first example. It means she owns a lot of money. We are talking about her possession, what she has, what she owns. There's no action described here. But if you say she is having dinner, look at this here. Here we are talking about a real action which is happening right now. It means she is eating something. Okay? I hope this helps. I hope you have understood everything that I have discussed in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Please share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.